pins for you to aim at. Try and knock down as many as you can. Good luck. Well done, Mr. Elephant.
How's the 10-pin bowling going?
It's going really well, Mum.
Good.
They're very keen.
Excellent. Oh, dear. It sounds like the passengers are getting too keen.
Look, stop it! Stop it! You'll all get a turn. They like it so much they all want to go.
Quiet! If you all return to your cabins and come back in half an hour, there'll be enough pins for 10-pin bowling for everyone.
That was a bit silly, Bradley.
I had to say something. They were going bonkers.
They'll go even more bonkers when they come back.
And find there aren't enough pins to go round.
There will be. There's lots of balls.
Yes, Bradley, but for every ball we've got, we need a set of 10 pins to bowl at.
Doesn't exactly have to be pins. Just has to be things roughly the right shape and size.
Right.
It's not bowling pins we're looking for. It's bowling things.
Right, so they're busy looking for things of roughly the right shape and size to knock down with a bowling ball. Let's see what they come up with.
OK, we've found loads of things. I've got some rolling pins and candlesticks.
And I've got some bricks and a violin.
But we've got to make them into sets of 10.
If you've got 5, how many more do you need to make 10? Any ideas? Well, another 5, don't you? 5 and 5 make 10. But if this digit moves over here, watch. Can you see? 6 and 4 also make 10. See? 6 and 4. Actually, you can use your hands to work out all the other numbers that add up to 10. But there's no time now. The passengers will soon be back, and we need to know off by heart the numbers that add up to 10. So listen to the 10-thing bowling song.
Roll up, roll up. 10-thing bowling, 10-thing bowling. Set them up and they add up to 10. 10-thing bowling, 10-thing bowling. Set them up and they add up to 10. 9 rolling pins and 1 violin make 10. 8 Easter eggs and 2 wooden legs make 10. 7 building bricks and 3 candlesticks, 6 plastic cones and 4 doggy bones, and 5 fluffy cats and 5 funny hats make 10. Or, to put it another way round, 5 funny hats and 5 fluffy cats make 10. 4 doggy bones and 6 plastic cones make 10. 3 candlesticks and 7 building bricks, 2 wooden legs and 8 Easter eggs, and 1 violin and 9 rolling pins make 10.
OK, everybody, have fun.
Oh,
He's saying score. He wants to know his score.
How many things did he knock down?
I don't know. They all went everywhere. We can't find them to count them.
We can see how many he didn't knock down, though.
Well, that's not much help. Or is it?
Well, that's a very good question. If you knew that there were 10 things to start with... And now there are only 5. How many have gone? Well, remember from the song? If 5 and 5 make 10, then 10 take away 5 is...
5. There were 5 hats and 5 cats. 5 things are still here, so 5 things must have gone.
There were 9 rolling pins and 1 violin here. The 1 is still here, so what must have gone is...
Yes, 9. Can you see what the number crew are doing? They're using a number fact they already know to work out another number fact. Very clever. And actually, I can do the same with my fairy numbers. Here we go. 9 and 1 makes 10, yeah? That's a fact. 9 plus 1 is 10. What happens if I swap the numbers over? Let's have a look. There you go. 1 and 9 is... It's still 10, isn't it? You see, either way round, 1 plus 9 or 9 plus 1, they still equal 10. That's 2 number facts. What else can we do with the fairy numbers? I know. 2 numbers add up to 10, yeah? I'm going to take the 1 away. What are we left with? 9. There you go, that's another fact. I'll show you it again. I'll do it slightly differently this time. 2 numbers that add up to 10. I'll take the 9 away, and we're left with 1. There's another number fact. That's 4 number facts just using 2 numbers. Tell you what, I'll show you them again, one by one, so you can have a proper look at them. Come on. OK, can you remember what we did? First of all, we put the 9 and the 1 together. 9 plus 1 is 10. There you go. Then we swapped the 9 and the 1 over. 1 plus 9 is... It's still 10, you see? 9 and 1 is the same as 1 and 9. Now they were adding facts. Can you show a taking away fact with these 3 numbers? Well, we're taking away from 10, aren't we? So we'll put the 10 at the beginning. Now because we're taking away, we put in the minus sign. In it goes. And first of all, we're going to take away 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. We did it! Using a 10, a 1 and a 9, we've shown 2 adding facts and 1 taking away fact. But there's another number fact you can get from a 10, a 1 and a 9. Can you swap 2 numbers over to show another taking away fact? Good luck.